I am the good shepherd. The good shepherd lays down his life for the sheep. I am the good shepherd. As the Father knows me and I know the Father, in the same way I know my sheep and my sheep know me, and I lay down my life for the sheep. And I have other sheep that do not belong to this fold. I must bring them also, and they will hear my voice. Then there will be one flock and one shepherd. The Father loves me because I lay down my life to take it back. No one takes it from me, but I give it to you. I have the power to give it and the power to take it back. I received this order from my Father. John 10.